What if just one hackathon could flip your entire career? Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But trust me, Adobe India Hackathon is actually doing it. Only the best survive, though. Want to be one of them? Stick around till the end. Missing this could be your biggest regret of the year. Alright, this isn't your regular hackathon. This is Adobe India Hackathon 2025, a golden ticket to internships, PPOs, and maybe even landing a job at one of the coolest, most creative companies out there. Who can join? If you're graduating in 2025, B.Tech, Me M.Tech, or dual degree from select colleges, congrats, you're in the game. Quick tip, don't wait for some magical motivation. This is your moment. So, how do you win? Let me break it down. First, the online MCQ challenge, it's your filter. Data structures, algorithms, aptitude, a bit of CS basics. Next, the coding challenge, real-world problems that'll push your brain. Make it past that, it's interview time. Here, they don't just want to see your code, they want to see how you think. Feeling nervous? Good. That means you care. This isn't about luck, it's about preparation and precision. Now, picture this. 6 months from now, you're at Adobe's HQ, working on next-gen tech because you took this shot. Registrations are closing soon. Stop waiting, start prepping. Check the link on Unstop, set your reminders, get your team. And hey, if you want to increase your odds, I've made a full breakdown of the hiring challenge. Hit that video next and level up. Like, share, and subscribe because you never know which click will open your dream career.